Hi everyone, my name is Saeed Bawazeer, and I recently wrote an article titled Making a Good Decision Under Stakeholder Pressure in Projects. If you had ever had to manage projects, you would know how challenging it can be when different stakeholders, each with their own priorities, push for what they want. So, how do you, as a project manager, navigate these pressures and still deliver success? That's exactly what my articles dives into. Think about this. What do you do when an investor demands faster delivery, but your team, as sometimes happen, requests for more time? Or when a customer requests for a new feature that wasn't actually part of your plan? These kinds of moments can make or break your projects. In my article, I shared practical strategies I have learned to handle these situations, tools and techniques that have helped me to manage tough decisions without losing sight of the project goals. For example, I explore a simple tool called Power Interest Matrix. It helps you figure out which stakeholders you need to give a full attention and which just need to be updated. Also explain how to handle scope creeps, balance competing priorities, or even deliver a bad news in a way that keep trusts. But it's not only about tools. I talked about mindset. You need to stay calm and make a clear decisions when the pressure is on. How do you stick to your project's vision when everyone wants something different? And how can you communicate to reduce conflicts and keep everyone focused? If any of these sounds familiar to you, I'm sure you will enjoy these articles. It's packed with actionable advices and a real-time insights to help you to handle stakeholder pressures and make a confident decisions. You are welcome to visit my articles on instituteprojectmanagement.com. I would love to hear from you. Thank you.